Hello viewers, welcome to AnswersBee for tests and quizzes. I am back with a new set of quiz questions to test and improve your knowledge. How to participate in the quiz? Each question will have a 10 seconds timer. Read the question and mark the answer in your mind. You can pause the video if you need more time. Please don't forget to post your scores in the comment section. If you are participating in the quiz for the first time, please do subscribe and follow us on our social channels. Let's get started. Wish you all the best. Vocabulary Test 1. 1. Which is a synonym of empathy? Curiosity, understanding, regret, dedication. And the answer is understanding. 2. Which is a synonym of diligence? Creativity, attention, religion, envy. And the answer is attention. 3. Which is a synonym of plenary? Awake, complete, caring, equal. And the answer is complete. 4. Which is a synonym of exacerbate? Abuse, worsen, hasten, install. And the answer is worsen. 5. Which is a synonym of dexterity? Calmness, error, fame, skill. And the answer is skill. 6. Which is a synonym of pusillanimous? Cowardly, disturbing, wide, basic. And the answer is cowardly. 7. Which is a synonym of eclectic? Common, useless, worried, diverse. And the answer is diverse. 8. Which is a synonym of despicable? Popular, moist, nasty, dirty. And the answer is nasty. 9. Which is a synonym of plebeian? Assertive, crude, hopeless, rightful. And the answer is crude. 10. Which is a synonym of epitome? Symbol, ideal, copy, image. And the answer is ideal. 11. Which is a synonym of placate? Support, silence, pacify, ignore. And the answer is pacify. 12. Which is a synonym of nebulous? Specific, strange, unclear, troubling. And the answer is unclear. 13. Which is a synonym of abjure? leave, reject, choose, permit. And the answer is reject. 14. Which is a synonym of edify? Imagine, compare, educate, save. And the answer is educate. And the last question in this session. Which is a synonym of fallacy? Effect, myth, occasion, disaster. And the answer is myth.
Above 60%. I will take the next quiz.
Below 60%. I will practice the same quiz once more. If you like the quiz, please share the video with your friends. Please comment your scores in comment section. I will wander around to gather new questions for the next quiz. Thank you.